الله أن تجعلنا من العابدين. اللهم اجعلنا من العابدين. اللهم اجعلنا من العابدين المخلصين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم إن الفقراء وأنت الغني فاغنينا من الفقر يا رب العالمين. اللهم إن المسيئين وأنت الغفور فاغفر لنا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا. اللهم إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. نسألك يا الله اللهم ارزقنا أنت الرزاق. اللهم ارحمنا أنت الرحمن. اللهم اغفر لنا أنت الغفور برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. يا وهاب اللهم وهبنا. يا رزاق اللهم ارزقنا. يا غفور اللهم اغفر لنا. يا متين يا تواب يا طهير يا رشيد يا مقتدي يا أخير يا الأخاه يا الأول الآخر الظاهر الباطن برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. وصل اللهم على محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.
يا رمضان 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 mwezi uliomwema. Ya Ramadhan huja kwa watu wema. Ya Ramadhan tujitahidi tenda mema. Ya Ramadhan tusivune neema. Ya Ramadhan 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 ya Ramadhan.
Ndugu zangu katika imani, imekuwa ni bahati kubwa sana kwetu kwa kuona tena mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani. Ni mwezi unaokuja kwa mwaka mara moja, ni mwezi uliojaliwa nyingi neema. Basi tuitumie pasavyo nafasi hii, nafasi itakayotufanya kwa bora siku ya malipo, nafasi itakayotusogeza mbele ya milango ya pepo. Maana halisi ya kuja kwa mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani kwa lengo moja tu,
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أستغفر الله. نسألك الجنة ونعوذ بك من النار. اللهم إنك عفو تحب العفو فاعف عنا.
يا رمضان 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 mwezi uliomwema. Ya Ramadhan huja kwa watu wema. Ya Ramadhan tujitahidi tenda mema. Ya Ramadhan tusivune neema. Ya Ramadhan ya Ramadhan ya Ramadhan ya Ramadhan ya Ramadhan ya Ramadhan
sana kwetu kwa kuona tena mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani. Ni mwezi unaokuja kwa mwaka mara moja. Ni mwezi uliojaliwa nyingi neema. Basi tuitumie pasavyo nafasi hii, nafasi itakayotufanya kwa bora siku ya malipo, nafasi itakayotusogeza mbele milango ya pepo. Maana halisi ya kuja kwa mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhani kwa lengo moja tu, akutufanya tuwe wacha Mungu. Tuutumie vyema vizuri ili uwe wenye kuleta mabadiliko makubwa katika nafsi zetu, siwe zenye kumpendeza Mwenyezi Mungu. Ramadhani Mubarak.
Tujiunge waumini, mwadhini akiadhini, tuende misikitini. Haya, tuwalishe masikini, wagonjwa hospitalini, ndo inavyosema dini. Na tuziswali swala 5, swala tu swala, swala tu swala. Na tuziswali swala 5, swala tu swala 5, swala 5, oh, swala tu swala.
Akutufanya tuwe wacha Mungu. Tuutumie vyema vizuri ili uwe wenye kuleta mabadiliko makubwa katika nafsi zetu, siwe zenye kumpendeza Mwenyezi Mungu. Ramadhani Mubarak.
Tujiunge waumini, mwadhini akiadhini, tuende misikitini. Haya, tuwalishe masikini, wagonjwa hospitalini, ndo inavyosema dini. Na tuziswali swala 5, swala tu swala, swala tu swala. Na tuziswali swala 5, swala tu swala 5, swala 5, oh, swala tu swala. Tuziswali swala 5.
Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. This is Nail Human Development Agency. This is an NGO which deal with various things. Firstly, we deal in drilling boreholes into various places, most especially where after making survey that these people are in need of water. That is one of our objectives. Then another objectives, we give charity to the needy. The people we think that they are in need of our charity, we reach on to them and we make charity. We do this in Ramadan and in other days, even not in Ramadan. We do Qurban activities. This is done during the period of Eid al-Adha. So we slaughter very many animals and we give out to the needy, to those people who are in need of that meat. We also take that activity. We do activities like giving out scholarship to the students who are in need of the scholarships. We reach out to need families for food aid. Like we do make research in the whole country of Uganda, most especially deep in the village. So we reach out to each and everyone. We don't consider if you're a Muslim or non-Muslim. We don't consider anything like that. In many areas in Uganda, like Luka district, we've worked in Masaka district, we've gone far away in places like Teso region, Kotido, all those areas. We reach on to those places where we see that they are in need of water or where they have shortage of water and shortage of need. Then we supply what we can also provide to them. Days, as you see, it's Ramadan. We decided to make some survey about different places where we see that there may be a need of some iftari like this. So we decided to make here a tent of around 200 people to 300 people so that we give out iftari to these people. We do this from day 1 Ramadan till the last day of Ramadan, but this time we started a little bit late, like after 2 to 3 days, but inshallah we shall make it till the end of the Ramadan.
These are Kenya and Sophia Safina, Executive Director of Old Kampala Hospital. Why I'm here is the program that we started to feed people during this Ramadan. Fasting is prescribed to all Muslims that every Muslim has to fast if he or she is able, not sick. I know kusiiba kati fe mu kisiibo kino tugezezaako okuwa abantu abateesobola emmere. Tufumbira wano ewaffe mu Kampala mu Dairy Gardens. Tusiibulula abantu between 200 to 300. Like the Prophet said, nti bw'osiibulira omuntu ofuna empeera ate tekikuggyako empeera ezizo. Kati bw'owa omuntu emmere ng'asiibye kintu kirungi nnyo. Naawe omutima gwo owulira nga oyambyeko omuntu atasobodde kufuna mmere. So gwe mulamwa ogw'okulaba nti tusiibuludde abantu. Twebaza nnyo abantu abatukwatiddeko ku guno omulamwa. Tulina abatukwatiddeko nga Nile Humanitarian Agency. Tulina batuwadde emmere ey'okufumbira abantu, batukwatiddeko ku buli kintu kyonna almost okulaba nti abantu tubafumbira emmere gye mulaba. Abantu lines mubalaba tubagabula. Tweyanza n'abantu n'abaseeka abava ku Supreme Council, abaami n'abakyala abatukwatirako ne bajja ne batuyambako okulaba nti abantu bali organized ne batusomera ku dduwa. Nsiima nnyo ttiimu yange, abakyala n'abaami abanyambako mu kufumba, kugabula mmere, n'abantu mwenna abali mu kintu kino. Tweyanziza, tusaba Mukama Katonda tuyise mu Ramadan eno obulungi, ate tubeere nga we continue until the next Ramadan. Wano we tubeera mu Old Kampala wano we are surrounded by people abateesobola wadde mu kibuga. Tulina abantu abateesobola abava eno mu Katanga betuliisa wano. Tulina aba refugees, those people that the refugees who cannot manage to make sure they get food, they come and eat here. We have different vulnerable people around here. Tulina abantu abava wano mu barracks. Tulina abantu street kids abava wano wansi wano mu Kakajjo n'abantu abalala. Tubeera mu Old Kampala naye ebyalo ebitwetoolodde abantu tebalina mmere ya kusiibuluka. Kati bwe bajja wano ne basiibuluka, olaba nga bazzeeyo basanyuse. Wanga oyinza okulaba omukyala n'abaana be bonna bazze ne basiibuluka. Ngenda okulaba abaana abateesobola, abaana abali mu street bajja ne basiibuluka. Kitusanyusa nnyo okulaba nti at least owadde omuntu ekyokulya. I would have loved to put it in the hospital, but it would maybe would disorganize the flow of the patients. I wouldn't call it disorganized, but it would the flow of patients. Abalwadde abakudwaliro nabo tubawa ebyokusiibulukuka. They have their meals for breaking their fasting, but the flow of patients can't be mixed with the flow of these people breaking their fasting. Muslim community, I wish you a happy Ramadan for the remaining days. The people of Uganda, I pray that we finish our Ramadan safely and we keep peaceful, like the way the Prophet Muhammad said. People have to be peaceful. We have to keep security. We have to take care of those who are unable to take care of themselves. If you're able, or if you have, take care of those who don't have. Ate n'abalwadde tubasaba bw'oba ofunye obulwadde jangu Old Kampala Hospital tukujjanjabe. Eddwaliro lyaffe lyaddawo bulungi. Tulabira abantu bonna, abakyala, abaana, abakulu bonna mujje tubajjanjabe.
GTV for unity and development.
Wano mu barracks tulina abantu street kids abava wano wansi wano mu Kakajjo n'abantu abalala. Tubeera mu Old Kampala naye ebyalo ebitwetoolodde abantu tebalina mmere ya kusiibuluka. Kati bwe bajja wano ne basiibuluka olaba nga bazzeeyo basanyuse, kubanga oyinza okulaba omukyala n'abaana be bonna bazze ne basiibulukuka. Genda okulaba abaana abateesobola, abaana abali mu street bajja ne basiibuluka. Kitusanyusa nnyo okulaba nti at least owadde omuntu ekyokulya. I would have loved to put it in the hospital, but it would maybe would disorganize the flow of the patients. I wouldn't call it disorganized, but it would the flow of patients. Abalwadde ab'okudwaliro nabo tubawa ebyokusiibulukuka. They have their meals for breaking their fasting, but the flow of patients can't be mixed with the flow of these people breaking their fasting. Muslim community, I wish you a happy Ramadan for the remaining days. The people of Uganda, I pray that we finish our Ramadan safely and we keep peaceful, like the way the Prophet Muhammad said. People have to be peaceful. We have to keep security. We have to take care of those who are unable to take care of themselves. If you are able, or if you have, take care of those who don't have. Ate n'abalwadde tubasaba bw'oba ofunye obulwadde jangu Old Kampala Hospital tukujjanjabe. Eddwaliro lyaffe lyaddawo bulungi. Tulabira abantu bonna, abakyala, abaana, abakulu bonna mujje tubajjanjabe.
GTV for unity and development.